Hello world, I'm Alex Nieva at Infusion Systems working with the I-CubeX line of products. Today I'm going to show you how to get started with your WiDig sensor digitizer. If you bought the starter kit, you should have gotten your WiDig, your battery, your USB cable, and your turn sensor. I'm going to show you how to connect all these and configure your WiDig to start making cool sounds. So what do we need to do first? First, we connect the sensor to the WiDig. We're going to use a slot 1 for that, and remember that you always have to put the red cable pointing upwards. What do you need to do next? Connect the battery to the WiDig. The WiDig comes pre-configured as a Bluetooth device, so it's going to show up in your computer as another Bluetooth device, but this one has Midi capabilities. So let's go and look for that Midi device in our computer. For example, in a Mac, you have to go to Audio Midi Setup in the utilities and look for new Bluetooth devices. So let's wait for the WiDig to be listed as a Bluetooth device and then connect to it. So it's scanning right now. There you go. Connect. And it is connected. That's great. So what else do we need to get this thing working? We need EditorX, which is the companion software of the WiDig. You get that from in the Infusion Systems website. While we wait for EditorX to load, I want to remind you that you can always contact us if you have any questions about our product via email, via Skype, you can call us, or you can even write a message to us in Facebook. We'll try to answer to you as soon as we can. You can also go to the EditorX window and click on this questions box, and you're going to get a pop-up window where you can put your name, your email, and send us your questions. We'll try to answer to you as soon as possible. Alright, so we have our system working, we have EditorX open, and what is the first thing we need to do? We need to connect to the device. So we go to the digitizer window, we click refresh, and as you can see, the Bluetooth device is here. So we connect, and that's it. So then we need to go to the settings window. In this window, you can recall settings if you have been working with another WiDig, or you can update the settings that come pre-configured from factory. So you need to click update here. So since this is our first connection, we're going to click clear here so that we start from 0, and I can show you step by step what you need to do. So we have one sensor connected to a slot 1, so that is sensor input 1. If we click on, we see that there is already data coming in, but what kind of data? Let's look at the data, clicking here in Edit. So this is what you're going to get when you first open EditorX. You need to choose between an analog and digital sensor. In another video, we're going to talk about digital sensors, but right now, we're going to choose analog. What kind of processing do you need for the data? In our case, we're just going to receive continuous data from the digitizer. Oh, let's click continuous. So the values are from 0 to 5 volts inside of the digitizer, but for us, it's going to come in values. We can configure that as MIDI values. So one important thing is that you have to choose the noise level. We need to receive values that change in 1. So we're going to put here 1. If we keep it in 0, we're just going to get all the values that the digitizer sends. That's awesome. So with that, we're already receiving values here in our little box here. That's awesome. So what else can we do with this? We can send MIDI note messages to a synthesizer. So here we're going to choose to send note on messages for, which means that we're going to send pitch values to channel 1, and we're going to send all of them at velocity 120. Alright, so now our system is configured to send values from 0 to 127. So if we click view here, you see the MIDI note value that you're sending, and all of them have velocity 120. You can close that. So what else can we do? We need to connect now to a synthesizer. So in this case, we need to choose where the data is going. We're just going to choose here the DLS synth from the Mac, and look at this. We can go slower. Oh, that's nice. We can start playing with this, and for example, we can choose intervals of 12, which is going to take you in octaves. Or we can put 7 here, it's going to take you in values of fifths. That is how you get started with your WiDig. Please stay tuned for more videos in the following days. See you then.